Good morning. We're finally almost on the flight. Let's go.
Okay, I don't even know where to start. I'm in America right now.
We're in America. We made it to America. I love America.
That's cool. So I've had a lot of time to think about my feelings, I guess. I've been having a bit of a love-hate relationship with YouTube. I've organized this video into like chapters or whatever they're called. They'll be in the description. Let's get into it. Okay, let's go all the way back to the summer. This is when I decided I was going to post every week. This is also when I had so much free time I didn't know what to do with, and I was just having fun. And then I decided I'm going to post every week, no matter what. I thought if I post every week, I would grow more, be more successful. Sounds like a win-win, right? So here I am, 7 weeks later, and I feel like quitting, which isn't a good feeling. I feel like I've lost any balance I had in my life whatsoever. I edit every day, and as soon as I'm done editing the next video, it's time to film the next video, and then start editing it. Which is good, like hard work's fine. It's good to be consistent, working on stuff. I don't know, it's just continuous YouTube without any breaks. People say like if you really love it, you'll never get tired of it. I'm kind of doubting that because I feel burnt out. I feel like I have no motivation. The last 2 uploads, I hit that publish button and I'm like, I hate this video so much, but I'm still gonna post it, which isn't a good feeling. Like that's not how I want YouTube to be. I want it to be something that I love, but posting every week has kind of like taken the fun out of it because I'm posting videos just to post a video. I'm not posting it because I'm proud of it. I want to be proud of what I make. I'm a mess right now. I want YouTube to be what I love. I want to be proud of the videos I make, and I want to grow my audience and be successful, which also means posting consistently. I'm starting to realize consistently for me might not be every week, but I also don't want to be lazy. It's easy to procrastinate. I can tell myself I don't have to post every week, and then I won't. But if I tell myself to post every week, I will, and then I'm pushing myself and I'm becoming more efficient and I'm learning more every week. But I also don't want to post trash videos. But I'm starting to realize posting consistently doesn't mean every week for me necessarily. A part of me feels like I'm being lazy, I'm being a wimp for doing this, for maybe deciding not to post every week. Another part of me is telling me like I'm pushing myself too hard. It's like this battle inside my brain. I still have no idea what I'm gonna do. Hopefully someone out there will find this useful. Someone who watches this video. I just have a feeling. On to part 2. It's really cold. Okay, so part 2. What videos do I even want to post? If you go on my channel and just scroll down, you can kind of see like I've gone through phases. I had like a commentary phase, posted a couple pranks, had a vlog phase. We don't talk about that. My channel's basically all over the place. I just do whatever I want to do, basically, which is cool. Like, that's creative and that's fun. But I don't really have a niche. I go on my channel and I'm like, why would someone subscribe to this? I post literally whatever I feel like. I don't have a niche. And it's like, can you even grow on YouTube without a niche? That's a good question. How am I gonna grow when no one knows what I'm gonna post? It's just weird. It's been bothering me. So I don't know what videos I want to make because I feel like I have to choose this theme. Like, I don't really have a common theme, which kind of bothers me because I want a theme, but I don't know what it is. This whole thing kind of ties in with my first point about consistency, because how am I supposed to be consistent when I have no idea what videos I want to post every week? It doesn't really work. If YouTube's what I love, don't I know what videos I want to make? I feel like I don't have a niche and I can't be consistent. 2 things wrecking all my creativity, so I don't really know what to post. Let's go. Next point. I think we're done. To sum it up, I basically don't know what videos I want to make and how often I want to make them, because making videos I'm proud of takes more than a week. And I don't want to procrastinate, but I feel like I need to find more balance in my life, because right now, I don't really have any balance. I kind of just edit and film. It's not good. I realize this video is a little dramatic because I only have 1,500 subs, which is a lot to me, but to other people, it's a bit of a joke. I only get like a couple hundred views. It's a little bit of a joke, but I take it seriously. I put hundreds of hours into this channel, but right now I don't know if I love YouTube. There's no way I'm quitting YouTube. I've made videos before I had a YouTube channel. I'm gonna make them forever. I don't even know why I'm making this video. It's honestly for myself, to be totally honest. I'm surprised if you're still watching. I hope someone can maybe relate or find this useful. Whoever you are, have a great day. Everyone should have a great day, actually. Everyone watching, thank you. I feel like I have something else to say, but I really don't. I have no idea what I'm doing with my life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you when I make a video I'm proud of.